Inks Cup semi-final game was started from today. You know, the Inks Cup is the competition which is the biggest in the whole world, and it's played for 4 years one time. And so this is called the Baduk Olympic. So all the professional players want to get the champion for this competition because winner can get 400,000 for US dollar. Yeah. So this time, even semi-final is more interesting because nowadays Japan couldn't make the competition, the World Championship competition, good result for a long time. But this time, Ichiri Kyoryo joined the semi-final as well. So Korea and Japan, China they are fighting. Yeah, so it's quite interesting. Today, this time, what I want to show you is Shin Jinseo between Zhao Chunmi. Yeah, you know, Shin Jinseo is ranked number 1 in Korea, so I don't even have to explain about him. He's really strong now. And Zhao Chunmi, you may not heard his name, but he is a new face from China, and even he is making really good result in the World Championship as well. So even though people are thinking Shin Jinseo has a more percentage to win for this semi-final, but actually it's 50-50. Yeah. And this competition, the semi-final is not just finished with one game. They have to play for 3 games. If somebody can win for 2 games first, then they will be the winner and go up to the final game. And there is one more interesting rule for Inks Cup. You know, there is no boyomi. If they have a basic time for 3 hours, and if they spent for 3 hours, they can get 20 more minutes. But they have to charge for minus 2 points. And if they spend all the 20 minutes, and they can get 20 more minutes as well, then they have to even charge 2 more points. That means they have a limit, 40 more minutes, and they have to charge for 4 more points. But after that, if they think over than 40 minutes, then they will just lose the game. Yeah, the rule is quite interesting. Yeah, because today also you have to know this rule. Yeah, okay. So today Shin Jinseo has played with black, and Zhao Chunmi was white. Yeah. Shin Jinseo has played just like a normal move at the start. Yeah, and the Zhao Chunmi has played 3 and 4 and 3 and 3. And this is quite interesting. Yesterday, actually, Shin Jinseo has played at the 3-3 when he plays against Shin Minjun. I'm not sure Zhao Chunmi watched that game or not. But you know, in the big competition, they want to even have a psychology fight. Yeah, so they don't want to follow what opponent wants to do. So he has played at the 3-3 and approach and 2 space jump. And white just get into the 3-3. And this was like a normal Jusegi, yeah, what we are using it. In the early beginning, he has played a pip. Yeah, this is quite interesting. And if black just answers, then white thought that he is happy to have this exchange. And it will be useful for the center. So of course Shin Jinseo doesn't answer, and Zhao Chunmi used another side. And even now Shin Jinseo used a really cool move. Yeah, he doesn't want to connect here. He wants to even press the lower side, and he want to take this stone naturally. Yeah, so they were having trading. Now Zhao Chunmi just decided to throw that away, but he can have a good potential at the lower side, and even approach is powerful for white. So Shin Jinseo has to answer, and then he returned to the left-hand side, and here is a really good place now. Now this is like really first fighting. Shin Jinseo made it bigger and invade here, and he wants to really fight. And Zhao Chunmi answers, and according to follow the just normal move and jump is normal. But I think maybe somehow this was not active enough for black. Yeah, Shin Jinseo styles cannot accept like this. He just has played attachment here. Yeah, that means if white just ignore, then black can decide to hane here. This hane will be much better for black. Yeah. So Zhao Chunmi even thought that is what he doesn't want, and stretch and attach. They really had a really crazy fighting here. Yeah, the first round. Black just decided to capture here, and the white just go out to center again. Yeah, that means you know, now black cannot decide to play here. Now this is going to be captured. So black has to capture, and the white goes out to center. Somehow, I think both players were thinking it's quite similar for each other. This capturing makes black stronger, but this exchange became very bad for black. So now even Zhao Chunmi thought this is okay for white. And then Shin Jinseo has played this move, and he want to take care of the left-hand side. But this was a very big mistake. Yes, since black just plays here, this pressing was so painful for black. Yeah, now black has to just jump here. I think at this moment, Shin Jinseo was thinking that this was okay, but black's right sequence was push one more time, and then when white answered, then he has to play here. Then his left-hand side is much bigger, and is even Aji was much clear. But since when he just plays here, pushes Sente, and then he just pressed this group, and now even this was very cruel. Yeah, now Shin Jinseo dilemma. He has to just answers, but somehow white can just connect the center naturally at the center. Yeah, but he just decided to separate. Like this is his style. When white just cut here, then black can return here. Yeah, but at this moment, Zhao Chunmi, he has played a very amazing move. He has prepared Atari and push here. This was so powerful, and now this white position is making this fighting available. Yeah, now if black cannot step back here, step back here is really horrible. Now if black just block here, there is a cutting point. Yeah, but it doesn't mean black can just play here and let white save. I think really Shin Jinseo couldn't expect such move. Yeah. So he has no choice. Yeah, doesn't need to cut here. But stretch and then double hane was so powerful. So black has to just now black those are in trouble. When black just cut here, here is in trouble and two stones are in trouble. Yeah. So now black has to decide to save center first and then block here. But when white cut here, now black really cannot answer. In case black just Atari, it seems okay, but white can Atari triple times and then block here, then became, this is ladder. Yeah, so it doesn't work. So Shin Jinseo has to decide to save the left-hand side. But when white plays here, suddenly black's territory was all gone away now. Yeah, now really at this moment, people were thinking that, oh, maybe this game, oh, it's not easy for black. Oh, really, maybe they will finish and they cannot go to the counting game as well. Yeah. So Shin Jinseo has to make something. He was just waiting for the chance. He has decided to kill this group. Yeah, because really black has no choice. And Zhao Chunmi just goes out and then block here, and black plays here and then save it here. This is necessary. In case black doesn't answer, then this is trouble for the life and dead now. Yeah, black will be dead. So he has to save, and the white decided to block here. At this moment, actually, saving is not that easy. Yeah. I was really curious how white can save this group. But Zhao Chunmi, he has played very well. He has played Kusumi here. It can make white to save. In case black just answers, then he can make the ko. But there are many ko threats now. Yeah, ko is not really acceptable for black. Yeah, because white has many local ko threat. So Shin Jinseo asks Zhao Chunmi whether you want to answer or not. That I really want to kill. But white just goes out here. But this trading was not good. Yeah, because white has an even sharp move. Just now black lost a lot. Yeah, even black just gave up here. Then black has to be very pity. So he really cannot accept, and then he has to decide to save this. But when white just cut here, now this group is in trouble as well. Yeah, so Shin Jinseo really get the big damage. Really no one was thinking that black can win this game. Yeah. But black has to even push here, and the white made the Sente and capture this group. Yeah. If white doesn't answer, then there black can save anytime. Yeah. So he decided to kill the lower side, and then black captures, and then white just captures this. Yeah. If black just goes out here, then seems white is in danger, but saving is actually not so hard for white. So Shin Jinseo just he decided to wait for the chance. Actually now white is really leading enough. Yeah, really not so close. But starting from now is endgame fighting. So but the problem is starting from now, people were just hoping for only the time. I think the Chinese fan, they couldn't understand that Zhao Chunmi doesn't have enough time. Then he was keep thinking for a long time for the end game. But Shin Jinseo had enough time, about 1 hour. But Zhao Chunmi had around 30 minutes or 20 more minutes. So he decided to fight here. And when he just makes to this group save and then attach here. Yeah. That means now black white just want to reduce. I can feel that somehow Zhao Chunmi wants to tidy quickly. Yeah. Normally when we are having the big competition and if we are leading the game, however, we want to tidy the game quickly and we want to complete this game faster. Yeah, that is the psychology of the big competition who is leading. Yeah. If actually white even can just connect here, this is quite valuable. Then now the gap is not so close actually. Yeah, even black's winning percentage is for 10%. Yeah, so really no one was thinking that black can win this game easily. But starting from now, white just attach here. And Shin Jinseo decided to cut and capture the sente and captures and stretch here. Yeah. Even now white is okay. Yeah. But the problem is stretch here, and black has to make the sente and save this group. What do you think, everybody? Yeah, which area is important now when black saves this group? Yeah, this is one of the big plays, right? Is it here or this one or here? You can think about it, yeah, before you see the next move. Yeah, of course, now this area is opened, right? Yeah, when black plays here, simply if white stretch here, white can reduce naturally. Yeah, but suddenly he made a big mistake. White just decided to jump here. Maybe, you know, if we are nervous and we are thinking very crazy thing. Yeah, maybe, oh, he will answer something like that, then this will be good exchange for me. I don't know what he thought, but we are thinking very, very strange, dumb thing as well. Yeah. So this was giving the chance to Shin Jinseo. So Shin Jinseo decided to even stretch. Even now, actually, white can decide to Tenuki. Here isn't it good? Yeah, just you can even see in 1 second, right? Yeah. But he just decided to answer and suddenly Shin Jinseo Atari here. Then black is actually not so bad. Still white is leading, but the problem is the time. Yeah. Zhao Chunmi almost spent his own time. Then he has to charge for 2 more points. So starting from now, suddenly white is more using the active move. So I can really feel that his psychology was not so stable. Maybe he was very, very nervous. So Shin Jinseo decided to hane here. And then white hane and the black cut. Oh, when people saw this move, everyone was crazy. Yeah, maybe really he couldn't take care of his psychology well. Of course, white has to just connect and fight. I don't know which move is the best. Whether white can just decide to break the center, and or even decide to fight in this area. But white has to try something just now. But suddenly this trading was making black very thick, and became black is better. That's interesting. After this, the interesting part is Shin Jinseo he really has played like AI. Yeah, he decided to play all the blue spot. Yeah, even jump was the blue spot. He is asking whether white wanna just capture and he wanna play here. So now Zhao Chunmi couldn't accept because he wanna get more point like this. But they had a retrading like this. Since now the Zhao Chunmi has played very well, but Shin Jinseo's endgame was so much perfect. Starting from now, all the moves were really perfect, and even played here and capture. Yeah, this is like really finished flow. When white just decided to play the next biggest. Yeah, at this moment I can really say this is the last losing move. Yeah, even white has played this move and then make the sente and then return here. This was harder than actual game. But when Zhao Chunmi plays here, why we are saying he is AI to Shin Jinseo, he even has played this ugly shape, but this was great move. Yeah, since black plays here, then there is like Aji. This is gonna be sente. White has to accept like that. Yeah, in case white doesn't answer, yeah, like this one, then cut is sente and this cut is also sente and stretch here. So now really this is impossible for white. Yeah. So now Zhao Chunmi couldn't answer and just decided to play the end game. But when Shin Jinseo used all the sente and he just has a really perfect end game. So now Zhao Chunli couldn't continue and just resigned. Oh, it was a very impressive game. Actually, Zhao Chunli has played very well in the left-hand side fighting. And even he has played really perfectly. So people were thinking that this game probably Shin Jinseo will be quite difficult to win. But he was keep waiting for the chance, and then he finally win from crazy endgame. Yeah, it was really perfect like AI. Oh, anyway, now is 1-0, but still they haven't finished yet. They will play the second game. So everybody, please support both player. Yeah. Always, I appreciate for my membership and my Patreon as well. Yeah, thank you very much for watching for this video. And see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye.